Peanut butter is, quite honestly, hard not to love. Considering you can choose a smooth or crunchy variety and load up your favorite sweet and savory dishes with the spread, there's no questioning why it's still a household staple. And with almost 300 million Americans have consumed peanut butter in 2020, it's fair to say it's a firm favorite. Peanut butter is a staple in many pantries, from sandwiches to smoothies to sauces. This spread is a versatile ingredient that can be used in sweet and savory dishes. Filled with protein and healthy fats, peanut butter is a great addition to a healthy diet. But you may not know about one of its other benefits. According to Food, peanut butter can help you cure your chapped lips. A diet low in B vitamins can contribute to lots of negative side effects, including dry and peeling lips. Peanut butter contains several B vitamins that can help you get back to a healthy, hydrated smooch. Dry lips can also be caused by dry weather, frequently licking your lips, and eating spicy food. If you find yourself dealing with chapped lips often, pay attention to your lifestyle habits. You may need to change your diet or avoid licking your lips. Applying a salve to your lips at night and drinking plenty of water can also help to avoid this annoying occurrence. Other health benefits of peanut butter. Healthy lips aren't the only benefit you can get from peanut butter. This food contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, folate, magnesium, and copper. It also contains vitamins B3, 5, and 6. Peanut butter has plenty of heart-healthy fats and protein to keep you full after eating. The protein, fiber, and healthy fat in peanut butter can give you that kick you need to start the day or as pick-me-up midday. Eliza Shapiro, Mississippi, RD, CDN, told eat this, not that. It also helps to keep blood sugar stable, which prevents those crashes later on. Peanut butter is made from peanuts, which are part of a group of foods that offer many health benefits. A diet that includes nuts every day has been shown to decrease your overall risk of death, according to a 2015 study by Vanderbilt University. Nuts have a healthy fat profile, including mono and polyunsaturated fats, are rich in antioxidants, contain nutrients like potassium that help maintain healthy blood pressure, are rich in fiber, and contain heart-healthy plant phytosterols.